This review is of Sweet Sam's Baking Company Chocolate Chunk Muffin. And it is parve, so it's safe for Jews in that respect. I think that's the only thing that's remarkable about this product, but hold on. It's got eggs and milk, so it is vegetarian. One muffin has 28 grams, of which 12 are saturated. Ooh, that's not too bad compared to a lot of other products. Trans fats, no. Cholesterol, 115 milligrams. Sodium, 520 milligrams. 67 grams of carbs, of which 2 are fiber. 38 are sugars, of which 37 are added. Oh my, that's horrible. 8 grams of protein. And there are the ingredients. Let's see, it's vitamin, mineral enriched. It does have butter, buttermilk, eggs, guar gum, so you can xanthan gum, so you could. It's also got soy and vital wheat gluten, so it's not gluten free. All right, let's give it a try. So I was expecting it to be a lot sweeter given all of the sugar in it. Now unfortunately the best buy date on this was the 10th, and it's already very hard on top, and it's also dry. I think they don't use as much oil as some other companies, so it doesn't taste as moist or feel as moist, I mean, and doesn't taste as sweet as you would expect given all that sugar, and it's fairly dry, and I would have expected it wouldn't have been this dry after so little time. But I'm gonna say it's more cake-like plus crunchiness. So it's like a cake with a cookie on top. Really, it's not remarkable, except for it's unusual in that that's its texture. I guess I'll give it a 7. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.